Jai Gurudev, February 8, 1996, Miami Beach, Florida. Knowledge Sheet 35. Indebtedness or Abundance. Question. God is all abundant, complete, and we are all connected to God. Then, why are we in debt? Except for some. Why do you have and why we don't have? Gurudev. Is it only money you lack? When you say you are in debt, that means you have received something. Otherwise, how can you be in debt? Those who have received should feel in debt. Be thankful for having received. The more abundance you have, the more in debt you will feel. And when you feel in debt and grateful, more abundance comes to you. Feel in debt, feel grateful, then abundance grows. Abundance and indebtedness coexist. Someone in the group. An abundance of indebtedness. Gurudev. You think you are in debt, but you really are not. Yet it is better to feel totally in debt, because every bit of what you have does not belong to you anyway, including your own body. When you are infinitely in debt for your body, for knowledge, for things you have received, and for your own life, then you bask in the abundance of the Creator. Someone in the group. I feel very in debt. Thank you. Newsflash. Physicians of Apple Valley, California organized memorable meetings and satsangs. Gurudev appeared on CNN News and in the local media and newspaper for several days before the much awaited event. Local TV made announcements every hour. From there to electrifying satsangs in packed halls in Los Angeles, Divya and drummers got everyone on their feet. A funny thing happened at Los Angeles airport. When Gurudev went through the metal detector, the alarm went off. We took off his shawl, which had a gold brocade border, and tried to pass through again. Again the alarm went off. Of course, he was not wearing a belt or a such thing. Someone suggested that it could be his mala beads. With an amused smile, he removed it. Yet, off went the alarm again. Now there was not much left for Gurudev to take off. The guard was perplexed. Politely, he asked Gurudev to step aside for a metal check with a hand-held device. After a couple of tries, they found him clean and let him pass. With everyone applauding, Gurudev came out giggling. Lloyd and his students organized about 700 people to welcome Master at the University of Northeast Missouri. In Fort Lauderdale, the church was filled with decorations and devotions, knowledge and grace. The hurricane of Sattva has now moved on to Miami. So beautiful. So in today's knowledge sheet, Gurudev is saying that abundance comes when we feel indebtedness. Indebtedness means lack of something, or the gratitudeness thing towards someone. So when we see the things some different aspect, that every moment that comes to us, we belong to them, to that moment. So for that, we should feel indebtedness. And when we feel that into that understanding, that every moment, every situation, this very body, the food, the air I am taking is given to me, I should feel indebtedness to the nature. Then we really feel present, and then more abundance come. We become the bliss. So Gurudev is saying on that note, please listen and comment What stuck into your mind and what is your takeaway? Please comment. Jai Gurudev.